Now that we have seen the commands that we need to work with our replica sets, now let's go back to the pods that are in the replica sets and work with them. So the commands that you can use with the pods, for example, one of the most important commands would be kubectl get pods, because now we want to list all the pods that are associated with our replica sets. Our label is called nginx rs. When you use this command, it's going to list all the pods that you've got in your replica sets. So this is very important command. As you can see, we now have you can see the statuses of the pods. When they were created, if they've been restarted, if you can see the status. Here we are lucky, our hours are all running. They are all ready.